It's raining, it's raining. The Ferrari gets wet. Oh, that sucks. I got my pal Mark here. Hey, hi Mark.
Hi Mark.
Yeah, and the Ferrari is just warming up. Behind is the BMW. We're about to make a little journey today. And the journey is very special because we could have worked on the Ferrari today, but we decided it was dry. So we take the cars out and go make a cool movie. Now we're still gonna do that. We're gonna wait until the rain falls, and then we're gonna just go. We're gonna just do it. The challenge is the following. We wrote a little script this morning. We said to ourselves we had 1 hour to design a little movie script.
45 minutes. Really.
45 minutes it took eventually. And the film is called The Dream. It's about a man that dreams about having a Ferrari. And things seem to change when his dream seems to come true. Something like that. That's what we did. We designed. Then we looked at some Google Maps locations about where are we going to film this. We found a spot. And now we're going to take two cars, the BMW and the Ferrari, to film this little movie about a short movie. I think it's 2 minutes or something. And now we have to wait until the car is warmed up and the rain is gone. But that doesn't take long, I think. And I was watching. I didn't even test the windscreen wiper, so maybe they don't work. I don't know. We'll see. By the way, in the BMW there's a little button on the steering wheel. If you push that, then the windscreen wiper starts.
Okay.
So let's get our gear ready and go out, and hopefully the rain will stop, and we're gonna make some cool short video. Yes. Are you ready, Mark?
Ready.
Cool. Thankfully, we're off to our filming location. I'm so excited. This is what I really want. Create crazy little epic videos with the Ferrari. Maybe in the future with other Ferraris, I don't know. But this is going to be so cool. My friend Mark is behind me. Can you see him? Yeah, we're nicely on the highway. And this is actually the first time I'm driving the Ferrari on a highway. Feels kind of scary. That's why I keep on the right lane, because I really don't want to blast it right away. Just take it easy, and just take your time to get better and better and better. But man, this feels so good. And the sun is working with us. Yeah, that was a nice little drive, right? It took a little longer than anticipated. But it was a nice little drive. We got some nice cars. Look at that. What's that? Old-fashioned tow truck. I took the wrong side road, sorry. My fault, my bad. We're gonna start immediately because we are in a hurry. We have half an hour to complete our film project. And well, let's do this. Well guys, back at the man cave. She did well. Good enough. Marcus is already gone. He had to run because he had a birthday. Me too. But did we succeed? Well, you will be the judge of that. Now I don't know what you guys think of it, of our film, our little project. But quite frankly, we discovered we had just a little bit too little time because of the weather. It started raining and look at it. Nothing more beautiful than a wet Ferrari. Come on. All the little splash of water, you can't see it probably. But it started raining, so we had to wait. Just a little bit too small of a time gap. Well, I think we are on to something. So we're gonna do this one again in the future, in the near future, and then we're gonna make sure that we got an all day. So we start at 8 and we have to finish at 8 or something. And you just have a little bit more time to do it properly and have things like a lunch or something, because now I am freaking hungry. With that bombshell, I want to thank you for watching. See you again next time and a goodbye.